Hey, this is Jim Brasso, and I wanted to talk to you for a minute about our latest course on estimation. We all talk about estimating, but for the most part, we're really not doing anything that resembles estimating at all. We will guess, we'll target, we'll tell people what we think they want to hear so they'll get out of our office so we can get back to work, but we're not estimating. In this course, we'll learn what estimation really is. At the lowest level, an estimate is an expression of uncertainty. How long it'll take to do something, how much it's going to cost, whatever. And while we've been conditioned to give a single point number when we're asked to estimate something, I think it'll be about 2 weeks. It's this uncertainty that's really the most important part of the estimate, particularly in the early stages when you're first being asked about something. We'll make a distinction between accuracy and precision. And with an understanding of uncertainty, you'll learn that you can estimate anything regardless of how much or how little you know about it. We'll cover techniques to help make your estimates stronger. We'll show that you should be revisiting your estimates along the way as you gain new information. And we'll provide the basics for an estimation procedure so you and your team can put together solid estimates consistently, repeatably, and you can learn and improve over time. Overall, our goal is to show you that good estimation really is storytelling, and that it's the basis for almost all effective behaviors on projects. Thanks for your time. I hope you find this course useful.